Hello guys, welcome to technojob.in. Here we are with a new aptitude topic, that is ratio and proportions. Before going in detail about this, I would like to tell about our platform, that is technojob.in. We provide jobs for BE B.Tech students and also give information about government jobs, private jobs, walk-in drives, off-campus drives, internships and also tech news. So coming in detail about this ratios and proportions, first of all let us know about this. A is to B equal to A by B equal to A divided by B. So these are all are equal. So if they give you like 2 by 3, it is nothing but 2 is to 3, and also it is nothing but 2 divided by 3. So you should know about this, but this probably it works a small thing in this ratios and proportions, but it works, this one will be working a lot on ages and also percentages. This mostly they'll give you in this form or they'll give you in this form, so that you have to know. But if you know about this, then you can easily write a is to b. If you doesn't, then it is a little difficult to understand. That's why I just tell you about this simply. See, just take an example. A equal to 40 and B equal to 10. So A is to B is 40 is to 10. So if we get cancelled, it is nothing but 4 is to 1. So 4 is to 1 can be also written as 4 by 1 and also can be written as 4 divided by 1. So let's get started with the problems of ratios and proportions. Divide 3200 among PQR in the ratio 5 is to 2 is to 9. Find the amount received by EQ. So what is the ratio of P is to Q is to R? It is 5 is to 2 is to 9. So about 3200 we have to divide it to P, Q and R, and we have to just find out only for Q. So how to find out only for Q? When they have given you the ratio and the total amount. So here is a formula. See, it is nothing but which one you want to find out. See, it is for Q, right? So Q is 2 by total a ratio, that is add the total ratio, that is 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 5 16. So what is the amount, total amount they have given? 3 into 3200. This is how you'll solve. So 16 ones are 16, 200s are 3200. So 400, Q receives 400 amount. So just to cross check whether you did right or wrong, just do this, but not for all the things, just to tell you have to have to make equal amount. So is that a right or wrong? To check whether it is right or wrong, I just done this, but there is no need to do all this, just to check, that's all. For P is the ratio is 5 is to 2 is to 9, right? So P is 5. So 5 by 16 into 3200. 16 ones 16 200s. It is nothing but 1000. For R, 9 by 16 into 3200. So 16 ones are 16 200s. It is 1800. So add this total amount, that is for Q it is 400, for P it is 1000, and for R it is 1800. It is nothing but 3200. So the amount is equal to the total amount which they have given. So what we done is right. If we get a less amount or a more amount, so we did somewhere mistake. So you can cross check with this method, that's all. So other problem, see, if A is to B is 5 is to 9, B is to C is 4 is to 7, find A is to B is to C. Here it is a clear that B repeats twice. A is to B and B is to C. So have to do this. So A is to B how much? 5 is to 9. B is to C is 4 is to 7. So have to do this. First, just write what is the ratio they have they need to find out. So A is to B is to C, right? So what they have given you, the given amount, this, the finding amount here. The given amount, the given data is here and finding data should be here, so that it will be an easy thing. So A is to B is 5 is to 9 and B is to C is 4 is to 7. So write down, because another B also repeated, so have to do this. So what you have to, here there is no number, So what you have to do is you have to cross multiply. So 5 fours are 20, and here there is a number, so just direct multiply. 9 fours are 36, and here there is no number, just cross multiply. 9 sevens are 63. That's all. These will not get cancelled in any table, so just leave it. So A is to B is to C is 20 is to 36 is to 63. Once again I'm telling you, see, the finding data should be here, the given data should be here, so that you can easily find out the finding data. So here see, 5 is to 9 and 4 is to 7. So here there is no number, and here also there is no number. So to find out that, just do cross multiply for this. 5 fours are 20 and 9 fours are 36, and here there is no number, so 9 sevens are 63. So A is to B is to C is 20 is to 36 is to 63. And same like this we have another question. See, if A is to B is 5 is to 7 and B is to C is 6 is to 11, find A is to B is to C. So directly A is to B is to C is, A is to B is 5 and 7, B is to C is 6 and 7. So directly here there is no number. So 5 6 are 30, 7 6 are 42, and 11 sevens are 77. So A is to B is to C is 30 is to 42 is to 77. It all the numbers does not cancel in a table, so just leave it. So here is a question. See, A is to B is 2 is to 3, B is to C is 4 is to 5, C is to D is 6 is to 7. Then find A is to B is to C is to D. So please do this problem and answer me in the comment section, so that I'll solve this problem in the next video. And in the last video I have given you the question, when in the, see, what will be the value of 2.4 into 0.72 into 4.5, 0.18 into 0.06 into 0.9 into 3. See, this takes a time like a 2.4 multiplying, so just remove the points and keep the zeros. Okay, so 2.4 means 2 by 24 by 10, 0.72 means 72 by 100, 4.5 means 45 by 10, 0.18 means 18 by 100, 0.06 means 6 by 100, 0.9 means 9 by 100. Just cancel this 100 and this 100, and 10 tens are 100, right? So this 100 is get cancelled. So 6 ones are 6 fours are 24, and 18 ones are 18 fours are 72, and 9 ones are 9 fives are. So here 4 into 5, and this 10 will be on the numerator, right? So into 10 into 3, so it is nothing but 5 fours are 20 and 10 threes are 30 into 4. It is nothing but 2400. This is how we will solve. While you'll be doing with 2.4 into 0.72 and taking a points, and it takes our time. Aptitude is how much time you are reducing is the more important for that. So, and if you have missed the parts of decimal fractions, so part 1 and part 2, the link is given in the description, so you can go directly to the link and watch the videos of decimal fractions part 1 and part 2. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.